was no accident. 'Cause you're gonna taste drink the Kool-Aid by the jug. My eyes are really bloodshot. I've been playing Overwatch till like 3 AM every single day this past week. Also, the bedroom. My sister's flipped her bedroom round and it's really throwing me off because now the background is really busy and I'm used to it being quite plain. That's something to get used to, I guess. Also the lighting. Because the sun's the opposite way now. Don't even want to talk about it. Also my nails, chipped to heck. My hair, greasy. The red's coming out already. Sorry, I am looking at myself because I can't get this lighting right. It's gonna have to do, I'm afraid, my darling. Right, shall we begin? Let's begin. Let's begin. I'm a lesbian. Terrible. Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we are doing a Pinterest one and it's going to be for Mother's Day. Okay, so I know some of my American subscribers are going to be a little bit confused, but basically in the UK we celebrate Mother's Day in March, not May. And this year it's actually fallen onto my mother's birthday, the 10th of March. So that's why I'm doing it now. It is only a week until then, so I'm running a little bit behind, but there's some things in here that are quick and easy that you can strip together, so that's fine. I'm really sorry for the lighting, it is going to change throughout the video. It's really annoying me. Also my legs are killing me already. This is going so great. Anyway, okay, so sorry for my absence. I've literally been off for like a month. One of the weeks I was at Maya's. I know I said I was going to record, but we were just honestly having such a fun, girly, fun, cunty time that I just didn't record anything.
I've been trying to convince the vampires to go out more to the club.
I'm looking for someone to have intercourse with.
And then when I got back, I was extremely ill.
Shut the speak! Done!
I'm taking so much advantage of being healthy, like now. I can't even. It was awful. It's the worst I've ever felt and ugh, ew, never again, ew. It's really messed up my sleep schedule as well, so that's brilliant. And I just haven't had the motivation to crochet, I'm not gonna lie. And then last week I did start recording a video and it just went completely wrong because I didn't have enough yarn. Basically I was going to crochet like a little tie a front tie top, like a tie at the front top cardigan thing, and I didn't have enough yarn to finish it. And I tried switching the yarns and it just didn't work and I just hated it, so that went straight in the bin. And now we're here. Now we are here. So like I said, in today's video I am going to be running through some Pinterest ideas for Mother's Day. Yeah, it's mainly flowery stuff because it's near to spring, so that's just what springs to mind. It's just flowery things. If that's something you're interested in, stick around, keep on watching, but without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. Yeah, I'm going to move this way so that the thing's still there. Let me try. Okay, cool. Right, we'll start with that. We'll do that. Also, look how cute these Lego flowers are. Again, not mine, Charlotte's, but all the jelly cats are here. So, first things first is flowers. There's a couple of bouquets of flowers and then there's like pots of flowers and then there's like this tissue box with like a few tulips in. And then we also have some hanging baskets as well. But these flowers, I just love them so much. I love the concept of just like adding, like crocheting different types of flowers, different breeds of flowers and popping them all together in a nice little bouquet. I didn't mean bouquet. Please don't take that seriously. This is actually what I'm crocheting my mum and my grandma for Mother's Day, and this little jar here, this little jar of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, is the heads of the flowers for my mum's bouquet. My feet are really hurting, I'm sorry, so if I'm really low down that's why. This is the jar of flowers that I have already made for my mum's bouquet. I'm just waiting for some wooden sticks because I'm going to be using wooden sticks instead of flower wire. So we have tulips. These are the heads of tulips. Mum's favourite colour is blue, so I'm doing a blue bouquet. These are some forget-me-not heads. And when I get the little sticks, they'll go through there and you put yellow yarn on so that they've got a nice little yellow centre. And then I've got one baby blue rose, cute. I'm obviously going to need to do more. And then some lavender. Whee! There's like 3 of those. So obviously I need to do more, and then I need to do my grandma's. I just don't know what colours to do for my grandma's. I want to do black because her favourite colour is black. So like a nice black and red bouquet maybe. But I don't know, I'm either going to do that or I'm going to do something really colourful like that, the complete opposite. So yeah, I'm going to pop up some YouTube videos now of the one that I followed. They're pretty much from the same creator. So I'll pop a bunch of those up now, and I'll also add those to the description. But there are all sorts. There's forget-me-nots, there's some lilies. I think doing lilies would be really cute as well. There's an orchid one, roses, sunflowers. I love sunflowers. So, you know, that's the thing. I love sunflowers. Then there's also these ones which are a little bit more not fun. They're not more fun, but they've got little faces on them. They're a little bit cutesy. And then there's also this flower pot with the little faces on as well. Some people have done them in baskets, some people have done them in pots that they've crocheted, and then others have just, like I said, put them on sticks and made them into a little bouquet. Yeah, I think they're all really cute, and like I said, it's near to spring, so this can be used as home decor obviously after Mother's Day as well. But just doing it in your mum's favourite colours, or your grandma's favourite colours, or your carer's favourite colours. I can't keep doing this. I cannot keep doing this. My feet, it's not my feet, it's my toes, my little tootsie toes. So flowers is basically the only consistent thing that I have in this Pinterest board, so it's the only category that I have. Everything else is just like a couple of the same thing, like there's no like, do you know usually I do clothing, home decor and accessories? It's not like that. So they're all the flower things, as in like actual physical flowers. And then we have some random bits, also very heavily flower themed. So there's tote bags. I feel like tote bags are a pretty good thing. I feel like mums, you don't see many mums and grandmas like walking around with tote bags, but I feel like it's literally perfect for them because of the amount of that they put in the handbag, and like then all they carry around. My mum has loads of random stuff in her van, so maybe making a little tote bag so she can like shove everything in there. I'm sick of this. I'm not crying, I've got something in my eye. Anyway, so we've got this nice little rose tote bag, and then we have like an actual shopping bag, and then this tote bag that's like a granny square, which is really fun and funky fresh. I kind of want to make one for myself actually. And then we have these foldable bags. I feel like people, like older women, or just, do you know what I go crazy for them? The foldable bags, the ones that are like little and then you unfold them and it's a shopping bag. I feel like they're perfect for like mums and grandmas, generically speaking. We also have some coasters. These flower coasters are really easy to whip up. I am actually selling my flower coaster on Vinted. I'll pop a link in the description. I'm basically selling everything that I've ever crocheted because need the shmoney. And then there's these buttered toast coasters as well, which are absolutely adorable. We have a few trinket dishes. We have this 8-ball one, and then this love heart one. Bookmarks, if your mum's into reading, then there's quite a couple of bookmarks in here. There's flower coasters as well. These ones are really cool because you wrap them, like when you wrap the coaster up, they turn into little bunches of flowers, which is absolutely adorable. We have this little knitted heart, winged heart that says mom, but obviously you can change it to mum if you're from the UK. We have a couple of keychains. I feel like matching keychains would be a really cute idea. There's some flowers again, this heart angel one as well. Then we have some cacti. I could have probably put this in with flowers to be fair, but we have some cacti in case your mum's not a very flowery person. I keep saying mum, but grandma, mum. Parental figure. Oh, broken toes. Broken toes. We have broken toes in the building. Ladies with gentle hands. Oh. This is ridiculous. I am in so much pain. So much pain. Should we do a couple down here? Let's do a couple down here. Let's give my little tootsies a rest. We also have this bee. This one actually I put in the I'll put it here. I put it in the Valentine's Day one as well. But any type of like plushy cuddly toy thing. Yeah. We also have this little wreath made of flowers, and then we have a couple of car hangings. There's this moon and there's like a little bunch of daisies in a little pot. Then there's a couple decoration things. This Mother's Day heart, it's called. There's this one as well, and it's a link to Is Your Mum a Crafty Crochet Queen? Here are 12 gift ideas for Mother's Day. And then it's like a crocheted name saying mum and mom. We have some hanging baskets as well. Just in case you don't want to crochet the actual plant, you could just like crochet the hanging basket for a plant if you buy that separately. There's this cushion cover saying I love you mum. I kind of just want to do the rest of it down here, shall I? Let's do the rest of it down here. I look so small. Oh my god. It's like, you know, I don't know if anyone watches Cody Kerr, but his editor does this thing that every time he backs away from the camera it makes him look really, really small. And I feel like that. I feel like I've edited myself really, really small. So that's just how it's going to be, I'm afraid. But if you did want any more ideas for floral crochet patterns, then I do actually have a flower power video. Pinterest ideas flower power edition, and then I also have a bunch of other like Pinterest videos as well on different aesthetics, like for autumn, winter. I will be doing a spring one as well, but it's like people have asked me before to do like, oh, could you do like gift guides and things like that, but the thing is, it's like it totally depends what your person is into. Like, it's totally like in this one there's bookmarks and things like that, which are obviously really good if your mum's into reading, but if your mum's not into reading then that's completely useless. There's no point in making a bookmark. So it just totally depends, which but I've just put things in here that my mum would personally like. But it completely depends. I've just typed in Mother's Day gift ideas on Pinterest and this is what came up, which intrigued me and interests me. But like I said, I'm making my mum and my grandma a bouquet of flowers each, and then I have no idea what I'm going to do for my mum for her birthday because it's the same day like I said. But yeah, a really quick, simple and easy one today. Most of these things you can make in like a day, which is what I also prioritise when choosing these items and projects. But I hope you did find something in there that interested you. This lighting! Oh, the change, I didn't like that. Right, and now it's just like not focusing on my face. Brilliant. But yeah, I hope you did find something in there that interested you today, and I do apologise about the lighting and just the complaining and basically everything about this video. I did just want to get it out now so that you've got plenty of time to make these things, and if you're not from the UK then you've got plenty of time since it's in May, Mother's Day. I just realised I forgot to put earrings in. Nice. Anyway, I hope this video was watchable. I hope this video was helpful. Everything that I've spoken about today will be linked down below, as well as the YouTube videos that I followed for the flowers that I made, and then any other ones that I see. If you would like to join the Discord, that is down below, and I am selling quite a lot of things, well, a lot of my crochet things on Vinted if you did want to have a quick peek down there. I'm also selling my bralettes that I made, one that I made for summer and the one that I made to go see Mean Girls. I never did end up going to see Mean Girls in the cinema, so I never wore it, but if you did want to go and check those out as well, I'm not sure how much I'll be selling them for, probably like £25–30, something like that. But if you are interested in that, then be sure to have a look on Vinted, and if something isn't listed on Vinted then just drop me a message on Instagram. It's just Baby Sprout, and I'll be sure to try my very best to answer you back. I'm terrible with replying to people, so I do apologise in advance if I do take more than a couple days. But yeah, now that I've had like 3 weeks off and I've been itching to record and itching to crochet, I'm gonna try my very best to grind this month out, so hopefully I will see you very soon. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely dumplings, and I will see you in the next one, which will hopefully be very soon. Hopefully. Bye bye. Bye. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. Bye.